Hey guys, so today I'm going to film my eyebrow routine, how I do my eyebrows. And I don't have any makeup on right now, so I'm going to go through and kind of speed through the foundation, and I'm going to talk through that. So I'm just going to speed through the foundation part. So now I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild Photofocus foundation and just apply this all over my face. I'm going to blend it in using the Real Techniques Beauty Sponge. Now I'm going to go in with the Tarte Shape Tape concealer, and I'm just going to conceal under my eyes and down the bridge of my nose, my forehead, and my chin. And after I put all this foundation on and the concealer on, I'm going to go in with the BH Cosmetics palette, and I'm going to use the first two shades, the pink undertone and the yellow undertone, and I'm just going to use this to set my entire face. And once I'm done setting my face, I'm going to go in with the Loreal Brow Definer to shape my brows. I'm going to take this fully and I'm going to brush up all of these little scraggly hairs. And I'm going to start by underlining my eyebrow with this pencil. Now I'm going to brush them down and line out the top. When you're doing this, you want to go with the natural shape of your eyebrow, but I mean, some people accentuate the arch. On this eye, my arch is pretty good, and on this one, it kind of falls flat, and the hair is more sparse, but I do accentuate a little bit of an arch here, and I want to be more heavy-handed towards the end part of my brow out here. And as I move into the inner corner, I want it to be more sparse so that it gives off a more natural look. And then I'm just going to make hair-like strokes all through my brow. And I'm going to focus in on the sparse areas. I need to get on wax, but they ain't wax, so we're going to make do with what we got. And then I'm going to use this spoolie and brush all my hairs up and over because that's how they naturally go. Mine actually probably even need to be trimmed, but that's okay too. So I'm just going to continue to outline this eyebrow until I am happy with it. Now I'm going to go in with this shader brush from NYX. Any brush will work. I prefer a brush with a rounded top, so that what I'm going to do is outline my eyebrows with concealer or foundation, and I'm just going to, I like to use something with a rounded edge so that it can kind of go along my eyebrow. I'm just going to go in with that concealer I used earlier, the Tarte Shape Tape. Just going to dab a little bit on the back of my hand. And I'm going to dip my brush in that. And I'm just going to outline my eyebrow. I'm going to do the same on the top. I feel like this just kind of cleans up the look, and we're done. Just kidding. Just kidding. We gotta blend it out. I just feel like this cleans up the look pretty good. I'm gonna finish blending this out with my beauty blender. I'm gonna do my other eyebrow and I'll be right back. Now I'm gonna finish up the rest of my face in a voiceover, like I did at the beginning. Now I'm gonna go in with the Rimmel London Stay Matte Powder in Translucent. So I just accidentally deleted all my footage, but I went in with this bronzer here and this blush by Tarte, highlighted with Jaclyn Hill Champagne Pop. Put my bronzer in my crease and I'm going to finish up with mascara. I'm just going to use the Covergirl Professional Super Thick Lash. It's waterproof. I coat my eyelashes real good and then I let them dry and then I will curl them one time and then I will coat them again. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I just put on another coat of mascara and curled my eyelashes one more time. This is what I do for days that I don't really wear any false lashes or anything, which is like most days that I don't wear that. And then I put a little, there was like a little bit of mascara smudged under my eye, so I just continued to smudge it. I mean, a little eyeliner smudged under my eyes, so I just smudged it out under both eyes with a smudger brush, and I used this eyeliner in my waterline and on my lower lash line. So I hope y'all like this video. I hope you learned something. I always say that. It's like I'm teaching school or something. But I hope this was helpful for you, and I really hope you like this video. So if you would like it, comment and subscribe to my channel. I'm doing a giveaway soon. Like the next video or the next will be a giveaway video. So please like this video and subscribe, because there'll be a few requirements for the next video, like for the giveaway. But I really appreciate all of your support, and yeah, so thanks so much for watching. Bye guys. My husband just threw socks at me. Turn it around, but our house is dirty.